Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Uncivil Law, where we learn through the misfortunes of others. As always, I am your host, Uncivil Law, a licensed attorney in Texas, Virginia, and before the United States Supreme Court. And I hope you're having a great day and Happy New Year, as today is January the 1st of 2024. A whole new year has begun, so a new opportunity to get it right from the start. Hopefully, we can all make progress this wonderful new year, and I hope you and yours are having a great one. For today's episode, we talk about Mickey Mouse and the cartoon Steamboat Willie, both of which have expired and copyright today, having been 95 years from the date of the creation and being created by a company. They were originally set to be expired 20 years ago, but then something called the Sonny Bono Copyright Extension Act came into play. Sonny Bono, as you may or may not remember, was a singing partner with Cher. There was a whole Sonny and Cher thing that was going on for a long time. And later in his career, he briefly became a congressperson for a while. And while in Congress, he championed the extension of copyright. He would die shortly before the law itself was passed, but the Congress named it after him in honor of him and his work on the issue. In substantive part, the Sonny Bono Copyright Extension Act extended all the copyrights for an additional 20 years. So instead of 75 years, how about 95 years, said Congress. And the 95 years has finally come due. So it was supposed to happen 20 years ago. It was supposed to happen in 2004. But just before it happened, we had the Extension Act. It was also the Copyright Extension Act was also mockingly called the Mickey Mouse Copyright Extension Act because Disney was probably the most notable champion of having their copyright extended, as you might expect. So take your pick between the two, the Mickey Mouse Extension Act or the Copyright Extension Act, which extended things to 95 years. But 95 years is still a limited time, and we have finally reached that justification. So, in honor of this wonderful news, we will watch the entire cartoon because we can. So we will enjoy the 7-minute cartoon together. I will ask you to take note of all the ways that Mickey is presented in this cartoon in all of his various manifestations because it's going to be relevant. So take note of all the clothing he is wearing, how he's dressed in every single frame, including the title card. Also Minnie Mouse, obviously, for the same reason. Take a look at how she's designed and how she acts, what clothing they have, what accoutrements they have. It's going to be very critical to our analysis later. So this is one time when you want to pay attention to the details. Look to see how they're clothed, look to see if their clothing changes, look to see how they act or their actions change. It's going to be relevant as we press on. All right, let's go watch this wonderful little cartoon from 1919. I apologize. 1919 is when this cartoon was released. Let's watch this. It's not playing for you guys. The sound's not playing for you guys. Give me 1 second. I need to fix that. Trying to change it on the fly without you noticing, but I didn't get there in time. All right, let's try again. Yeah, so I literally did get a content ID claim while we were talking. Yeah, it popped up my thing warning we've detected a content ID claim. Yeah, I'll be filing a protest for that later. Lol. All right, so that is the Steamboat Willie cartoon. And we can see Mickey has a couple different outfits in this cartoon. So we have the ending scene here, which is the same as the beginning scene, incidentally. The beginning scene's probably a little clearer, but I think they're wearing essentially the same thing. Although Minnie in this scene doesn't have the brassiere thing on. So yeah, in this scene, Mickey has the hat, has the gloves on. He's got some sort of like maybe an Oxford kind of shoe, and he's got some sort of striped, uh, overalls or something. And Minnie's got, I don't even know what kind of hat that is. We'll call it a beehive hat, I guess. She's got this polka dot skirt on, and she's got, some sort of shoe with a heel on it. And if we go back to the very beginning in the opening card, it's similar. Although in this one, she does have the brassiere on, and she also has a flower coming out of her hair. Also, I think the hat is different for Mickey's hat, because in the end scene, yeah, in the end scene, he's not wearing a hat at all. No, I honestly can't tell if he's wearing a hat or not in the end card. Probably not. He's probably not wearing a hat at all. He's not wearing a hat during the cartoon. But in the opening, he does have a hat. He's got, I guess, a bowler. He's got the same sort of striped bottom parts. He's got the gloves. He's got different shoes on, I'm pretty sure. Those look like more like clogs. Those wider shoe. At the end, it looks more, and I'm not sure that's the same shoe. And then we see him here in this scene. He just has a plain white bottom. He doesn't have gloves, no hat, and I don't even know. Those look more like clogs. So yeah, all the rest of it. So we see Mickey in various manifestations. All right, so we have two things we have to separate. So before in the legal analysis, okay, we have to separate the character from the work in which it's produced, and we also have to separate the copyright from the trademark. So we have a couple things of legal analysis I want to go over. But before we go over the legal analysis as it pertains to this, I want to briefly discuss the Supreme Court case from 2003, which said the Copyright Extension Act, which allowed the copyright to extend for another 20 years, would be valid. I wanted to discuss that aspect a little bit more. So let me just get that on screen real fast so we can discuss that a little bit. All right. All right, so let's see. All right, so I want to discuss a little bit from Justice Breyer's dissent, because I think that it raises some really interesting issues. I remember when I read this in law school. I went to law school in 2004, so this was brand new law when I went to law school. So, we were discussing it because it just had happened. And I always liked what Justice Breyer had to say in dissent. And so I wanted to read part of his dissent because I think he raises some very good points in his analysis. So this is Justice Breyer's dissent, and we're at subpart C of his dissent because he's been writing for a little while. And I want to... does Kurt know why he was missing for a bit? Because of the copyright strike? I didn't know that. Will it count as against my channel? I'm going to file a protest. I'll file a protest. They can fuck off. It's out of copyright. So yeah, the live got suspended. I'll fix it later. Yeah, my streaming went down. Should we watch the cartoon again? Because they can fuck right off. Yeah, should we watch the cartoon again? Because they can fuck right off. Let's watch the cartoon again while I'm filing a protest for them taking me down the first time. As I readjust all the margins to accommodate this, because I have to readjust the margins, because it's a different window. So give me a second, because I was trying to get this text on screen, and now we have to put the video back up on screen, which means I have to readjust the margins on the fly. Give me just a second to do that. This can be our official Disney can eat my ass moment. Talk amongst yourselves why I'm protesting this. That Disney, man. That Disney. All right, how do I protest this? How do I protest this? I can't find out how to protest it. I can't figure out how to protest it. Hold on. I have to figure out how to protest it. I will not be defeated by this. I will not be defeated by this. Okay. Sign app, content, set video with restriction, tap restriction, review issues, dispute. I don't see these options. I'm trying to get something done here. Am I even live? Let's review. All right. Well, the Twitch people at least get to see me struggle in real time. So that's nice. All right, I'm back on YouTube. That's nice. Yeah. No, I can't figure out how to protest it. I can't figure out how to protest the claim. I'm looking in monetization. I'm looking earning. It doesn't show up. A copyright claim. There's no claim. Messages, archive, monetization. How do I claim this? How do I dispute this? I remember when YouTube actually had a live chat. That was good. I was canceled twice. They can suck my balls. How do I protest a content ID claim? I remember when YouTube had a chat. It was nice. I can't seem to get a chat feature anymore. Channel, chat with YouTube. Other, next step. Sign in YouTube channel, more help. Next step, content options, chat. Okay. Okay, you want my URL. All right. All right, great. I'm going to say this. Okay, great. I'm going to protest this in real time. Give me a second. Talk amongst yourselves. We will not be dissuaded. We will not be dissuaded. I will do this if it kills me. It's an invalid claim. The thing's out of copyright. It's an invalid claim. Yeah. Yeah, it's an invalid claim. You want to watch me struggle with YouTube in real time? This will be fun. All right, let's watch me struggle with YouTube in real time. Let me see if I can put this up so you can see this, so you can see me struggle with YouTube in real time. They are not the most friendly people in the world. All right. Yeah, all right, let's try this. Hello. I am getting a content ID claim on my live stream that I am doing now on content that, as of today, is now in the public domain. I do not see how to protest. Okay, my stream is being suspended for content violations, for copyright that is not in copyright as of Jan 1, 2024. I don't see how to protest this content ID claim. I am not seeing a copyright claim on my live stream that I doing that I can protest file against. All right, let's see if YouTube wants to be helpful to me. YouTube sometimes helps. Most of the time, they suck balls. Kurth, yeah, it's like I'm an IP attorney. I'm pretty sure it's legal. I'm like, yeah, I'm an IP attorney. I'm pretty sure it's legal. Disney, come after me. Yeah. Okay. Can I provide a link to the stream in concern? Sure can. I'll be happy to. Sure. Let's see. Where's the copy? Hold on. Where's the copy? I am an ID claim that is suspending my live stream for playing Steamboat Willie, which as of Jan 1, 2024 is no longer in copyright. Lol. Lol. I want to play it again. I will keep playing this cartoon until we can play it. My legal analysis is not complete. We will fight the machine. We will fight the Google. We will fight the YouTubes. We will fight the Disneys. I'm legally in the right. They can suck my balls. Do you understand? Do you understand, Jelen? I've explained it to you 3 or 4 times because I'm pretty sure you don't understand. It's like, I understand. Do you, Jelen? Do you, whoever you are at YouTube, do you really understand? Do you? I'm not sure you do. I understand it. I've only been an IP lawyer for 15 years. I'm not sure you understand it, but that's okay. I will not be dissuaded. If I have to put this on a loop for 24 hours and just have it stream on my channel while my stream is suspended, while I'm playing it in the background, that's what this stream is going to be. This stream is just going to be in a constant state of stream suspended as I put it on a goddamn loop. You can watch the this stream has been suspended graphic for an indefinite period of time. Man. Yeah. We're over here doing a legal analysis. We're doing a legal analysis. Also, incidentally, at this point, if I needed it, which I really don't, now the entire thing is becoming a fair use analysis on top of it all. Because now we're doing commentary and critique over the whole thing, too. About Disney and about the thing. So, yeah, if I needed it, I also got a fair use analysis that's going on pretty well. So, you know, here's my fair use analysis. Suck my balls, Disney. Lol. Yeah, I know I'm visible on YouTube. We're having a fight with the YouTubes. I'll tell you what, though, for whatever can be said about the YouTube chat, they're far more helpful than my dedicated representative they gave me when I hit 100,000. I don't know if it's just me, but I've been through a few different representatives because they like change them every 3 months or whatever it is, and none of them have ever been helpful. They give you the most generic, useless advice. Oh yeah, we are still very much connected. Yes, we are still very much connected. Yeah. Yeah, no, so this is what the stream is becoming now. We're doing a live stream critique of YouTube and Google and Alphabet and Disney all at once. Nope, still here. Yes, as I said, the live stream, as I said before, we are in fact in the middle of the live stream. I told you this. before The live stream is still live. Yeah, what part about I thought I said that earlier. Like yeah, my stream is being yeah. I don't know. I thought it was pretty clear. We're having way too much fun over here with Google support. Yeah, anyway, so my YouTube dedicated partner rep is trash. I don't know why I have one. I don't know what they're supposed to do. They don't really handle any complaints or any concerns. They always tell you, at least they've always told me, just go to the YouTube chat, right? So anytime I actually have a problem, they just say, oh, just go to the YouTube chat. I'm like, why are you here? Why do I have a dedicated representative when I can't actually go to you for anything? Hey, dedicated representative, I have a copyright claim. You know what they say? Go to the YouTube chat. Hey, YouTube representative, I have this problem. Go to the YouTube chat. Hey, my thing is demonetized. Can you help? Go to the YouTube chat. They're useless. Okay, well, all right. So as long as stream is ongoing, the claim is not yet completed. Possibly, well. There are ways to protest, or if you did not agree, possibly remove this. I am not removing. I am not removing it. I am in the legal right. Okay, let me help you out. Let me help you out. There is no owner. It is in the public domain. Also, I am going to keep playing the video, and I don't want my stream to be impacted. I am not removing anything. It is in the public. No, it is in the public domain. I want to dispute the How do I dispute whatever I'm trying to dispute? Okay. Okay, I don't see these options in YouTube. There is no restriction thing for me to dispute. Yeah, I can't dispute it because there's nothing for me to dispute. You can't see this. Oh, this is good. You can't see this yet since it's high likely it will show after the stream has ended. Okay, well, that's a problem. Wait, no. There looks like a restriction on copyright. Is there a copyright restriction? Oh, no, that's not the video we want. Where is the live? It still says monetization on. I can't protest it because there's no copyright claim for me to protest. But if you plan on keeping your live stream ongoing, you may as well do. It'll be up to you. Okay, well, guys, I see only one thing for it. I only see one thing for it. There's only one thing to do. It's now Steamboat Willie all the time over here on Uncivil Law. So I hope you like Steamboat Willie, because you're getting Steamboat Willie inside your Steamboat Willie. I hope you really, really like Steamboat Willie. It's nothing but Steamboat Willie, 24/7. They can suck my legal balls. All right, hold on. Hold on. Where is my goddamn Steamboat Willie thing? Give me the damn video. All right, here we go. Yeah, no, we're in it. We're in it, guys. We're in it. There is no peace. There is no peace. There is only Steamboat Willie. So I hope you enjoy watching Stream Suspended for the indefinite future, because yeah, that's what's happening. They can suck my legal balls. It's been fun, guys. It's been fun. Hold on. I have to make it look pretty. Talk amongst yourselves. Yep. Good. All right. Here we go, kids. Wait, is that the one I want? Yep. Great. Here we go. Wait, now how do I create this in a loop? I think I have to add this to a playlist or something to make it go in a loop. How do I do that? Hold on. Let's see. How do I add this to a playlist? It's been a while since I've actually tried to do this. Can I add it to a playlist? Share, download clip, share. How do I add this to my playlist? God damn it. You can't just loop one video? I'll loop two videos. I'll find another version of it and I will put it in a playlist. I need to put it into a playlist. I think I can loop just one video. I just need to actually put it into a playlist, and right now I'm not sure how to do that. Let's see. Settings, loop video. Settings. There is no loop video option. And settings. I need to put it in a playlist. I just don't know how to do that. Just right click in the middle of video. Loop. Aha. Thank you. Disney, suck my balls. we are still live on Twitch. It's on a loop. It is on a loop. I will not be dissuaded. I will not be deterred. I might just keep the sound going in the background and actually do some legal analysis here as well, but this is just too funny for the moment. This is just too funny. Alright, let's see if we can ask YouTube chat again. Maybe they'll talk to us and we can actually, like, say, hey, my stream is currently suspended as we speak.